Hey, welcome back everybody. This is going to be another quick video. I just wanted to talk about real quick the new blockchain based game coming on IOTA. It's actually on the Shimmer network, which is parallel to the mainnet of IOTA. But let's get right into it. So the new game is called IOTA Heroes. Launches and will drive adoption as more companies are using the Tangle. Tangle is the architecture that Shimmer is built on, but more into that later. But the game IOTA Heroes is a new Web3 gaming experience allowing users to hunt for new treasures and will run on the Layer 1 staging network Shimmer. IOTA Tangle architecture makes the blockchain ideal for having in-game microtransactions. Blockchain-based gaming is evolving very fast. For those of you who are into blockchain-based games, this is something to look at. If you've played Axie Infinity before, I know I have. I've actually was a manager before, but yeah. So in this game, you got different characters like goblins, Violet Witch, Golem, Angry Chicken, etc. And you send them on adventures in search of gold and other exciting equipment. You can also trade your items in exchange for others. They've actually been developing this game a year ago, last January of 2022, and they launched their first test version in April of last year on the IOTA test EVM, Ethereum virtual machine. Currently, the game is entirely self-funded by its two founders, sharing their game philosophy. The founders of IOTA Heroes noted. They noted that we want to deliver a fun NFT game experience in the IOTA ecosystem. That is our ultimate goal. We see humility as a very important trait and refrain from making grand promises, but rather want to let the game speak for itself. IOTA is slowly becoming a preferred choice for blockchain-based gaming solutions due to its powerful Tangle technology. Tangle. Alright, here more about the Shimmer network. Shimmer is a scalable and feeless network enabling frictionless, decentralized, and scalable Web3 economies. Shimmer is a feeless, parallelized DAG ledger to secure and create fully customizable smart contract chains. So what this is, guys, is very similar to Ethereum's testnet, except this one you actually have real stake at it. So all the devs who are developing games or any other kind of dApps basically come to this network, build them, test them, and once they are good to go, if they're good enough, they move on to the IOTA mainnet, connect everything. Trade without limits. Shimmer eliminates the need for costly and insecure bridges, enabling unhindered cross-chain interoperability through bridgeless asset transfers. Pretty cool stuff, guys. A little bit more about their tech. It's a parallel network from the mainnet of IOTA. One of a kind, Shimmer's tokenization features are unique in the crypto space. Anyone can mint and manage native tokens and NFTs as first-class citizens on the base layer with zero fees. Pretty cool. Custom transactions, feeless immutability, paving ways to a multi-chain network. Here we go. So, as I was talking about earlier, Shimmer is a staging network of IOTA, right? With an identical DAG architecture at heart, Shimmer grants early access to cutting-edge developments which are battle-tested live with real value at stake. Release candidates that withstand the test of time in the Shimmer network are matured to the status of stable release and ported over to the IOTA mainnet, as you can see here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So eventually, if this game, right, IOTA Heroes, once they pass the test, once they are successful on the Shimmer network, they'll probably move over to the IOTA mainnet. But here we go, guys. Here's their official website. Start your adventures here today. Hunt for epic treasures and rise through the ranks among strongest adventurers. Go on an adventure. Send your heroes on an adventure and defeat various monsters in the search for golden equipment. Got your goblin. Got your Violet Witch. Angry Chicken, Golem. Not bad. Looks like a decent blockchain game. There's a trading post where you can find the best deals and propose a trade of your own. You can craft new items. Select 5 items and reforge them into a new one. Some items are only created this way. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. Can't wait for this to come out. I might actually give this a try when they come out. But yeah, guys, keep an eye out for this. Here's their about section, guys. Oops. Right here. So here's their team. Christian, not sure how to say his last name, Henriksen. He's from Denmark. He's a developer and project owner. So about him, he has been deeply interested in the crypto space and IOTA since 2017. His journey started with CryptoKitties. I don't know if you guys remember that or are familiar with it, but that was one of the very first blockchain games that actually inspired Axie Infinity and a few others, and a lot of other early Web3 games. And he has since been fascinated with the opportunities of DLTs. And his partner, Fresh Cakes, out of Philippines, he's a lead artist. He's an artist who is into concept art, character design, background art, and other illustrations. He still aims to constantly improve himself and discover his own unique art style. So a pretty decent team, right, guys? They have a decent background, you know, so we shall see how this goes. So keep an eye out, and if you guys ever do play it, let me know how you guys like it, alright? Later.